I was looking for a dentist that I felt would help me get the end results that I wanted. I needed some extensive work done, including what I felt was crowns and implants, and this is his specialty, and so he's a wonderful dentist.
In Sharon's case, we were able to utilize some of our new digital technologies to process her new upper denture. That's a technique that's evolved a lot over time, and so now we're milling and 3D printing dentures, far superior aesthetic result, and a product that really has a lot more strength than what we could make in the past.
Everyone has been so wonderful to me and has been so patient with me in explaining everything. I never felt rushed, even when Dr. Harrell did all the major work. I still felt wonderful. He takes such good care of you.
For us, it's all about building relationships. We want our patients to get to know us, to feel comfortable with our staff, and walk them through the entire process of the treatment and really feel like family, knowing that they have been well taken care of and have gotten a great results for their treatment.
I'm extremely happy with the outcome that I have had with Dr. Harrell and his team.